Okay, so this is us on the fourth and final phrase of Lovely Stornoway. The phrase actually starts just before the third bar line, okay? So we're going to start with the E, and then we're going to play a G grace note on E. So that's fairly straightforward. It's just E, yeah, just a grace note with your G finger. And then we're going to move to high A. Now this is a change that can cause problems. So what you're looking for is a nice clean change. So a common mistake at the start is to put your E finger down before lifting your high A fingers, which give you a crossing noise, which we don't want to hear. You hear that catching sound. So we want to try and make that nice and clean by making sure that the high A fingers lift before the E finger goes down. So just practice those three notes until you've got that nice and clean. Okay. Then after that, we're going to move to C. And the movement here on the C is what we call a C doubling. Okay, you've done your high A doubling. So this is a C doubling. So if we look at the notes, how it's written, this is, you're going to go from high A, you're going to go down to C, and then this is a D grace note to finish on C. Okay, so high A, down to C, and then a D grace note to C, and that gives you double C's, yeah? So, okay, so you're going to practice that until it's up to speed. Okay, also just be careful that to make sure that we get a nice clean change down to C, not. Okay, that happens if you're a little late lifting your C fingers up, so make sure that the C fingers are coming up before your high A fingers hit the chanter, just fractionally. Okay, and then we're going to move to B, and then we're going to play a G grace note to low A. Okay, so if we take that full phrase up to this low A here, so once you've got that nice and smoothly right up to the last low A, we'll just show you the final movement onto the last low A, which is what we call a burl, and that's played by tapping the bottom hole twice with your pinky. Okay, so we'll start playing it that way initially because that's the easiest way to do it. As you progress, we'll teach you another method to play the burl, which is slightly trickier and involves a different movement with your pinky. We'll cross that bridge when we come to it. Okay, so from the very beginning of the phrase, we'll go from the E again and play to the very end. So after 2, 1, 2. Okay.